You can see this is my folder right here. Now you can create a design with the theme. So let's go back to theme again. You can upgrade it to the Canva Pro as well. This will help you get different new features that have paid versions, get different text section, get different audios, get different other features similar to that for your use. Now you can add members from here, create new folders, or rename the team. Here, all the templates that you work with your team will appear here. You can create your template here. This is a Canva Pro design. For that, you need to have access to the Canva Pro. Similarly to the apps. Now your team does not have any apps yet. You can create a team for your. You can create an app for your team. So let's learn how. Here, team apps. Team apps are the apps that only you and your team can use. Creating team apps will allow your team to do the following. Add features to Canva. Integrate Canva with your internal tools. Privately share apps before releasing them to public. Here you can see how Team App works and the different features. Here you can see the related articles as well. Once you learn all of these, you will be able to create an app with your team that can be helpful. Now, inviting member. You can enter the email address of the person you would like to invite in your team and simply click on send invitation. Here you can see add lots of different email address and then create a team so that you can work in team together, unlock the full power of Canva and then collaborate. Now going to the brand kit. Brand kit is a paid version, is for Canva Pro, is for a paid version here with brand kit. Brand kit consistency made easy. Set and forget colors, fonts and logo. Save time with logo, font and color presets inside the editor. Upload your own unique font. If you want to try it, then here is the option, or you can go right here to try Canva Pro. You can see the brand logo, how it works. There are brand fonts. You can use it however you want. You need to have access to Canva Pro for that. Similarly, going to the planner. Content planner is also for Canva Pro, where you can set your calendar, keep your schedule however you would want. You might have certain designs to make on certain date. You can create a post on the calendar and then keep it so that you can work on flow, work on time, and be more effective.